Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix blinking red light on Spectrum router. If your Spectrum router's red light is blinking, don't worry. First, check if there is any ongoing maintenance or a local outage in your area. Next, make sure all cables are connected properly, are intact, and not loose. Then, power cycle your router and modem by turning them off for 30 seconds and turning them back on. Check that the modem is working correctly and that the Ethernet cable is properly connected from the modem. If you're using a splitter, inspect that as well. Make sure the router is not overheating or overloaded. Also, check that the Ethernet cable is functioning properly. Ensure the router is activated, and if needed, update the router's firmware. If the issue persists, consider performing a factory reset. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Spectrum support so they can troubleshoot your connection or router remotely. By following these simple steps, you can fix the blinking red light on your Spectrum router and restore a stable internet connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.